Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi tragically died when the helicopter he was traveling in crashed in the forested region of East Azerbaijan province. The accident occurred under poor weather conditions, contributing to the fatal crash. The helicopter was carrying Raisi and other high-ranking officials, including Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdullahi, who were also killed in the incident. The crash site was in a remote mountainous area, making rescue operations challenging. Reports indicate that the helicopter suffered a hard landing, and despite immediate emergency response, there were no survivors among the 9 people on board. The accident has plunged the nation into mourning, with Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei declaring 5 days of national mourning and appointing First Vice President Mohammad Mokhbar as the acting president. Raisi, aged 63, had been in office for nearly 3 years and was a prominent figure in Iranian politics, known for his conservative stance and close ties to the religious elite. His death has significant implications for Iran's political landscape, especially with the upcoming presidential elections and the ongoing geopolitical tensions in the region. Iran's President Ebrahim Raisi has been declared a martyr following his tragic death in a helicopter crash. The announcement of his martyrdom was made at Iran's most significant religious site, the Shrine of Imam Reza in the city of Mashhad. This declaration underscores the profound impact of his loss on the nation and highlights the deep religious and cultural connections he had with the Iranian people. Raisi, a prominent figure in Iranian politics and a conservative leader, was closely associated with the religious elite and had a notable history of public service, including his roles as the head of the judiciary and the custodian of the Imam Reza Shrine. Ebrahim Raisi's early life in Mashhad, combined with his rigorous religious education in Qom under the tutelage of prominent scholars such as Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, played a crucial role in shaping his conservative political ideology and religious credentials. His status as a Sayyid, symbolized by his black turban, further enhanced his influence and authority within the Twelver Shia community. These elements not only defined his personal identity but also cemented his position within Iran's hardline political factions, ultimately leading to his significant roles in the judiciary and his presidency. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei led the funeral prayers for President Ebrahim Raisi.
أرسله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله.
In an interview with Al Jazeera, Khamenei mentioned the possibility that Raisi's death might have been a murder, adding a layer of mystery to the tragic event.